Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Binance application. So the very first thing you should do is you have to go to the Binance page where you may buy Bitcoin using USD. So you need to open your Binance and then click this person icon at the bottom right corner. When you tap this, then you will see this add payment method. So what you're going to do if you want to deposit funds to your Binance and you prefer this payment method, then all you have to do is to click this add payment method and it will take you directly to this where you can see payment options such as ACH, domestic wire, or debit card. Now, talking about ACH, this is a popular secure method for transferring funds between US banks. So, this wire or domestic wire transfer, this allow for faster transaction, though they often come with fees. And then lastly is the debit card. So you can choose debit card or card payment from the list of payment options. So everything is up to you. Then once you have verified, confirmed, and added a fund here, then you can go back to your Binance. Now you should see that amount that you have deposited or added here. Also, you can tap your US dollar USD if you have your bank link already. Then you can enter the amount here. The minimum for deposit is $10, but everything is up to you. You can also preview deposit if you want. Now, as you can see here, you have added $10 and then now you can proceed with the next method. Now that you have deposited an amount here on your Binance, you can now click this graph icon right here. You can see there is this favorites BTC, USD, and USDT. So it says what currency are you going to buy for your Bitcoin. You can choose, but this time we're going to use USD. So you have to search Bitcoin and then slash USD or BTC slash USD because we're going to buy Bitcoin using US dollars. And you have or you should have enough balance of US dollars before you proceed. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And below you can see two options, buy and sell. And what you're going to do is click the buy button. And then after that, you will see this. So you need to enter the amount of BTC. Now, as you can see, we have here market limit and stop limit. So a bit of knowledge about that. For market, let's just say you want to buy Bitcoin at whatever price it's trading at now. You place a market order and it will execute at the best available price at the moment. When we say limit order, for example, Bitcoin is trading at 30,000, but you want to buy it only if it drops to 28,000. So you place a limit order to buy at 28,000. When we say stop limit order, you hold Bitcoin and it's currently trading at 30,000. You want to sell it if the price drops to 28,000, but you don't want to sell it for less than 28,500. So you set a stop price of 29,000 and limit price of 28,000. But this time, let's just choose this limit order. Enter the amount of BTC with a total amount of USD. You can see it below. And then after that, click place buy order. After that, it will take you directly to this. And what you're going to do is you have to select Bitcoin. That is below this token right here. Tap this one. And you'll see that you have a buy or purchase Bitcoin on your Binance. So as easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.